these are warm-up exercises, which is very, very important. Why do you think all these warm-up exercises are very important? You need to start every workout, every exercises you want to do with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up. This is very important because before you can start workout, you don't jump into workout, okay? So that you prepare the body. Your body temperature need to at least rise a little bit before you can start working out. And definitely all those workouts, all those warm-up will definitely get your body ready for the exercises that you want to do. Most importantly, it is the sport jogging that I really recommend a lot for most people, because sometimes people don't have treadmill at home. Some don't have treadmill at home. So this is what I do. I will recommend this for you as well. So just keep it going just like that. And when you warm up, each time you warm up during your exercises, before your exercises, it reduces the risk of injury. Once your body is ready for the exercise, your body will go with the flow. But if you just jump into exercises without a proper warm-up, definitely you will have a high, or let me say high percentage of getting injured. So when you are working out, just make it so simple. You are not doing it so intense. Just keep it slow and steady, right? Just keep it slow and steady. You are definitely warming up. This is not the actual warm-up. This is not the actual exercise, right? So no intensity, no force, no headache. Just keep it going. Then just keep it steady. Like I said, this is not the actual exercise. Remember that. The actual exercise is still coming up. So the only thing you got to do is just keep the body temperature high a little bit before you jump into exercises. And this will definitely, I told you, it will reduce your risk of getting injured. So right here, I'm just going to go through this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you're trying to work out on your arms, the bicep, the tricep, I would recommend a slow arm roll. What do I mean by arm roll? Just stretch the arms, right? Once you stretch the arm, just keep it rolling. Yeah, just like that. The more you roll it, the more you're getting the arms, the bicep, the tricep ready for whatever workout you want to do with it. Just get it ready. If you don't get it ready, you will definitely get yourself injured when you just jump into exercises without proper warm-up. At least 5 to 10 minute warm-up. Now, if you are trying to work out on your tummy, which most people really want, so this is what I recommend. Just hold your waist, push it to the sides, just like that. Let it keep rolling, okay? Let it keep rolling and you will definitely get there. The other part of it is this. Let the tummy keep touching your lats. I have this one that I always call the dive. When I dive, it's like I am diving inside water, right? As if you want to swim. That's exactly what we are going to do right now. So this dive is going to prepare the tummy, the back, everything ready for exercise. 10, let's go. 1, 2, remember I told you, take it slow and steady. Don't rush it. This is just a warm-up. Just don't get yourself injured before you start working out. So let's get going. So this is definitely gonna prepare every part of your body for the upcoming workout. If you want to work, if as somebody that is trying to work out on your laps, something like that, I have this for you, the butt kick. So this is how you go through the butt kick. So you're just gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. When you are done with that, just take a rest. Just switch to the sides, just like this. Then sometimes I like to twist, jump and twist. How? This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do it as if you're dancing. Okay, I can even dance with it. Just like that. You are just warming up, right? Always make it enjoyable. That is what you got to do. Warm up is very, very important before any exercises you want to start with. This is really going to prepare the body. Your body temperature will be up. You really need that body temperature to be up. 1, it is really going to help you. The blood is flowing properly in your body, which will definitely help your whole body to be awake to whatever you want to do. I've told you, don't you ever, I will say it again, don't you ever jump into workout without proper warm up. Okay? You need every piece of the warm up to get every part of your body in place for the warm up. So we are still on it and we're still going. All right? So this time, like I said, we are still working out on the tummy. So what you just need to do as part of your warm up is just let this hand go this way. This one come this way. You can take it down. You can just keep it like this. It doesn't matter how you do it. Just the most important thing is let your tummy keep touching your laps, all right? That is what you are doing. So let that keep touching. You are definitely warming it up. Definitely, you are definitely getting the body in place. Just keep doing it and you are getting yourself ready for exercises. More than that, which is the most important part of it, workout is a way to improve your lifestyle. Your healthy lifestyle is very, very important. So how you get your body in a perfect place in the first place is get the body warmed up. Once the body is warmed up, your body is definitely ready to take on any challenges. Just like my body. That is what you want. That is what you're going to get. Always remember, the more you warm up, the lower your chances of getting injured during your workout. Thank you so much, guys, for watching Sammy Fitness right here, telling you always keep a healthy lifestyle and always try as much as possible. Before every workout session, try as much as possible to warm up for 5 to 10 minutes, which is very, very important. I have showed you some few basic warm-up exercises you can just do. Either you're working out on your arms, your legs, your tummy, different kind of warm-up you can do. I have definitely shown you. Try all that on a daily basis. That is going to really help you, and that is definitely going to make your workout a very, very enjoyable one. Stick to all this plan. Stick to everything, and you will definitely get that kind of body you want. At the end of the day, you will live a very, very simple life. I talk too much, right? Right? Okay, let me just keep going. I will see you next time on Sammy Fitness. Right now, Sammy is gonna say, I'm out.